Today we're going to learn how to make two flags, the China flag and the Brazil flag. Let's get it. The first one is the China flag. First we're going to bring this red cross to the white, so you see this. Then we're going to bring this blue cross in the here, and then we're going to repeat over. And then we have this. And then after we do this, we're going to bring it to the yellow side and the red unfinished China flag upwards. And then we're going to do right, and we have this wheel thing, and then we're going to bring this down, and then left, up. China flag. Bring it back is easy. First, we're going to do here, bring this down, so we have this, and just bring this up here, and then we have it here. We're going to bring it back to the right side, and do it down, left, down, left, down, left, down, left. And then we solve it. Brazil flag is also easy. I'm going to have the blue side facing the left, and the white, the yellow facing to you guys. And then we're gonna bring it here, the blue cross over here, the red cross over here, this yellow cross over here, and then this up. Wait, no, this thing down. And then we just need to take these two crosses, and then we have the Brazil flag. Bringing it back is also easy. I'm just going to bring these two green lines to the right, and then we're going to bring this up, and then bring this cross to the right, and then we're going to bring this red cross up 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then it's so easy. And then it's so easy. White cross, and then here. Just bring it up. That's it. Like and subscribe.